students. Today we are going to discuss about relations and functions. The first question, let n of a is equal to m and n of b is equal to n. Then the total number of non-empty relation that can be defined from a to b. We know that total number of relations from a to b is equal to 2 power of mn. But here the question is number of non-empty relation. Total number of non-empty relation means therefore total number of non-empty relation is equal to empty relation is 1. Therefore total number of relations minus 1 empty relation is 2 power of mn minus 1. This is the answer for this. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Second problem, if greatest integer function of x square minus 5 into greatest integer function of x plus 6 is equal to 0, where this symbol denotes the greatest integer function, then option A, x belongs to close interval 3 to 4, option B, x belongs to open interval 2 to 3 close interval, option C, x belongs to close interval 2 open interval close interval 2 to 3, option D, x belongs to close interval 2 open interval 4. Given box of x square or greatest integer function of x square minus greatest integer function of x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here factorization method 1 6 is 6, therefore greatest integer function of x square minus 3 greatest integer function minus 2 greatest integer function plus 6 is equal to 0, because of 6 can be written as minus 3 into minus 2. Therefore take common factor. Greatest integer function of x is equal to greatest integer function of x minus 3 minus 2 into greatest integer function of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore greatest integer function of x minus 2 in one bracket, in another bracket greatest integer function of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore greatest integer function of x minus 2 is equal to 0 and greatest integer function x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here greatest integer function of x is equal to 2. This means 2 is less than or equal to x less than 3. This is 1. And greatest integer function x is equal to 3. This means 3 is less than or equal to x less than 4. Here from 1 and 2. 2 is less than or equal to x less than 4. Therefore x belongs to close interval 2 to open interval 4 is the answer for this. Less than or equal to x close interval 2 to 4. Option D is the correct answer.